Copyright law shouldn't exist. Take it from a musician and an artist. It's just one more flawed idea from the capitalists, trying to turn us against the community for profit. When I make a song and post it up on the web, it's no longer mine, it belongs to us all. But capitalism says I need to profit from it, so it ends up stuck behind a corporate paywall. It's impossible to quantify the value of art, so many artists unknown before their death. It's to share, not to profit, that's the reason we start. It's no wonder so many artists are depressed. People wonder how many Mozarts we'd have today if music education everywhere were free. But I'll do you one better when I say we should tear down the capitalist state and replace it with a system where you don't need to be a lucky genius to have access to basic universal life necessities. Also, I have a new song coming out on Friday that I have to promote, and there's an RSVP link in my bio. Okay, thanks, bye.